Hello guys, this is Yuri from Uno and today I will show you a little bit of the Uno Figma plugin. Let's go there. Okay, I already have my plugin opened in my Figma and this is the preview tab, which you can just select something on Figma and press refresh. Then you will see the generated screen. And something pretty interesting is that this is a real Uno application. So that means this is a real text block, a real password block, and you can type on it and you can test it exactly the same way you could test in your application. The second tab is the export tab. There you can find the generated code for your selection. For example, we generated the code for the login page. The login page is here. You can see that we generated a very clean code here. So just a few text boxes and button, and yeah, that's it. And also you can see that in those combo boxes, you can choose between C# and XAML. For example, you can just select here and you will see the C# for markup of your page. This will generate the exactly same result of the XAML. And also, you can just go to color override files, which contains all the overrides that you generated in this project. And you can just copy this content and paste in your color override file in the Uno template. So for example, I can just select this and open my project, go to the color palette override, and then I can just replace the constructor here. And that's it. The same thing I can do with the font override file. The font override file has all the overrides that we generated. For example, I just overrided the font family here and also the font size. And the same, I just need to copy the constructor here, go to my project, go to the material fonts override, and just replace the constructor. And that's it. All the code that you generated is in your template file. Of course, we still need to export the login code for a screen there. But that's something that we can speak in another video. See you. Bye-bye.